Hi, just a short video. I've got another Milwaukee work light that a friend bought off eBay and asked us to see if I could fix it. Spent a bit of time looking at the circuit board. It looks, I've traced out all of the pins going to the microcontroller just to actually see what they're doing, because it seems like the microcontroller isn't sending the power to the LED driver to make the LED driver come on. Now if I do that manually I can make the LED light, but obviously that's not quite right. So the microcontroller's sensing some kind of fault. So I've worked out what all the pins do pretty much now, apart from one. But it seems that the microcontroller thinks the battery's flat. So as the power comes in, when you press the on button, there's this dual MOSFET. Now one side of it seems to switch power to certain parts of the circuit board first, which it then does checks. Then if everything's okay, it then passes the power through the other side of the MOSFET, because there's two MOSFETs in the same package, to power up the LED driver, and that obviously wasn't happening. Now just off the first part of the MOSFET that gets powered up, there's a resistor that then feeds another two resistors, which then goes to the pin on the chip. It's the third pin down on the right hand side here, and I think that is measuring the voltage of the battery. So if you leave the light on, the battery goes flat, the light switches off automatically, otherwise it will just be on permanent. So this resistor that feeds those two resistors here, I'm not getting any power through it. It measures when it's in circuit, but when I try and measure the voltage coming out of those two resistors, which goes to the pin, I'm getting 0 volts. So I'm going to remove this resistor and see if it's that. Right, so I've just finished replacing the resistor, and we'll see if it works. So yeah, it thought the battery was flat and that's why it wasn't working. So cool, we'll reassemble this now and give it back. Right, so that's it all back together now. And all fully working. Right, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.